Hey guys, it's Danica and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a high protein vegan meal prep. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. For breakfast, we're going to be making a tofu scramble. Let's start by preparing the tofu. I'm using medium firm tofu, but you could also use firm tofu. Right now, I'm just opening the tofu package to drain the excess liquid. You can throw away the liquid, we won't be needing that. Then you just want to get a few sheets of paper towel to wrap your tofu in. You just want to press your tofu to drain the excess liquid. When you're done pressing the tofu, you can throw away the paper towel and set your tofu aside. Now let's start by preparing the tofu scramble. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan on medium heat. Then I'm also adding 1 chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Let the onion and garlic saute on the pan until it becomes translucent and fragrant. After about 2 minutes, you can now add your tofu. We really want the tofu to have the texture of scrambled eggs, so you just need to crumble it like so. As you can see, it has the same texture and really resembles scrambled eggs. For spices, add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, half a tablespoon of Italian spices, half a tablespoon of paprika, and a little bit of turmeric for color, and of course salt and pepper. Now stir to combine all of the ingredients together. Now it's time to add your vegetables. You can add any vegetables that you would like. I added some frozen kale. This breakfast can be prepared so fast and it is really high in protein. It has 20 grams of protein per serving. It is delicious, nutritious, and filling. If you like scrambled eggs, I'm sure that you will like a tofu scramble. For lunch, we're going to be making this comforting lentil soup. To a pot on medium heat, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then to the pot, add 1 chopped onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are fragrant. After that, I'm adding a can of diced tomatoes. Next, for flavor, you also want to add a cube of vegetable bouillon. Just crumble the cube into the pot and stir to combine. Then go ahead and add about 2 cans of water. Next up, we're going to be adding some spices, which are 1 tablespoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Give that a nice stir and bring it to a simmer. Next up, I'm adding 1 cup of red lentils that I have rinsed and drained. I'm also adding 3 medium white potatoes. And for a little bit of added green, I'm adding 1 cup of frozen kale. Stir to combine and let it cook on the stove for about 30 minutes until the potatoes are soft. This soup has so many benefits while being really high in protein. It is packed with nutrients and has really good ingredients. The blend of flavors and spices makes the soup really comforting. It has really everything that you are looking for in a soup, and I really recommend that you try it for yourself. For dinner, we're going to be making this sushi-inspired bowl. First, let's start by preparing our ingredients. Add about 1 cup of edamames to some boiling water. Let them cook according to the packaging. Next, let's do the same with the rice and add about 1 or 2 cups of rice to some boiling water. Once the rice is done, I really like to add some rice vinegar to it to really give it that sushi flavor. So I'm just adding about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to my rice. Give it a nice stir and set it aside. Next, let's prepare the vegetables. I decided to use carrots and cucumbers, but you can add any vegetables that you would like. I'm just grating the carrots into really small slices. Doing the same with the cucumber, I'm just slicing it into small pieces. Once you're done cutting your veggies, set them aside. Now that everything is ready, you can assemble your bowls. I'm starting by adding some rice, then adding the edamames, carrots, cucumbers, and for a lovely touch, I'm adding some ginger. For the sauce, I am of course adding soy sauce and also some sriracha. I really like making this bowl. It reminds me so much of sushi. It is refreshing, it is high in protein, and it is so delicious. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future upload. I upload a new video every Monday, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!